Prime Minister Narendra Modi today announced the rollback of the three contentious farm laws. The big decision comes after a lot of hue and cry followed by farmers' protest and agitation on Delhi borders. Earlier, farmers' leader Rakesh Tikait had also given a stern warning to the centre. He gave November 26th as the deadline and asked the centre to moot over withdrawing the three farm laws as early as possible.
आज मैं आपको, पूरे देश को ये बताने आया हूं कि हमने 3 कृषि कानूनों को वापस लेने का, रिपील करने का निर्णय लिया है। इस महीने के अंत में शुरू होने जा रहे संसद सत्र में, इसी महीने में हम तीनों कृषि कानूनों को रिपील करने की संवैधानिक प्रक्रिया को पूरा कर देंगे।
The three farm laws legislated were the Farmers Produce Trade and Commerce Promotion and Facilitation Act, the Farmers Empowerment and Protection Agreement of Price Assurance and Farm Services Act, and the Essential Commodities Amendment Act. They first came as the three ordinances but later got approved by the Parliament during the monsoon session by a voice vote. But the farmers' concern was minimum support price or the MSP. A big fear that loomed larger among the farmers was allowing outside APMC trade of farm produces would lead to lesser buying by government agencies in the approved mandis. The new laws would thus make the MSP system irrelevant. This was the reason why the farmers had been demanding that the MSP should be made mandatory for both APMC and private mandis. Now that the rollback has finally been announced, farmers leader Rakesh Tikait said the agitation will not be taken back. We will wait for the day when the farm laws will be scrapped in the parliament. Government should talk on other issues of farmers too, besides MSP. But indeed, this comes as a big win for the resolute farmers. Soon after the decision was announced by PM Modi, farmers began celebrating and hailing this historic step of the centre at the Ghazipur border. So what do you have to say about the government's decision to withdraw these controversial farm laws? Let us know in the comment section. And if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel The Vocal News and don't forget to like, share and comment. You can also follow us on Facebook and log on to our website www.thevocalnews.com for latest news updates.